Good evening, dear students. A discussion was going on the chapter Lower Caste Reform Movements. And here I had told you about that some reformers were there in the society who were very alert, very equal to the other people. I had reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Devendra Nath Tagore, and other peoples also. First of all, I am going to tell you about the work of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was a Hindu Brahmin and he was very strictly against the Hindu the culture that was being followed in the Hinduism. He wanted to reform the society, and he was whenever there was any problem in the society, he used to open the Vedas, he used to open the Upanishads that were written, the holy text, and always find out the solution from those books. And this habit most of the time changed the society, and he laid down that God was one and he did not discriminate between the people. Means God is one and in the eye of God everybody is equal. Finally he founded Brahm Samaj, a Brahm Sabha in 1828, and later it was known as Brahm Samaj. And when after his death, few other members like Dwarka Nath Tagore, etc., these people spread the Brahm Samaj messages in the society. Now, Swami Vivekanand, he raised his voice against the caste system and he opposed untouchability also. And he also criticized the Hindu society's rituals because they were too much rigid. And after that, in Maharashtra, Raja Ram Mohan Rai's Brahm Samaj messages were spread by Keshav Chandra Sen. Then Mahadev Govind Ranade, R.G. Bhandarkar, and they collectively formed Prarthana Samaj, means Prarthana Society. And then Dhondo Keshav Karve and Vishnu Shastri, they assisted him they assisted Jyotiba Phule. Now Jyotiba Phule was a very effective person. He also did a lot for the society to change the society, and he received his education from missionary school. It means he was English, he was educated in the English pattern. So there were so many people, so many social reformers were there, and they fought for the benefits of these people, for the benefits of lower caste people. And Jyotiba Phule's one book is there, Gulamgiri. It was completely dedicated to all those Americans and of American Civil War who fought the abolition of slavery. It means in America slavery system was there. There also lower caste people were too much tortured. In South also, some people started the movement. Kandukuri Veera Salingam, EVM Ramaswamy Nekkar, and his pet name was Periyar. These people did a lot for the upliftment of society. Sri Narayan Guru, he was also another reformer and he also did a lot. And he wanted to put stress on one caste, one religion, and one God. Reform movements were there in central India. Ghasi Das, he was also an untouchable and he did a lot for the upliftment of those people. Mahatma Gandhi did a lot. He specially gave us name Harijan to the people, those who were belong to the lower caste. He did a lot for those people. And finally, B.R. Ambedkar, means Bhimrao Ambedkar, who himself was an untouchable, belonged to that untouchable caste. He also did a lot, and his efforts were there that our constitution was formed. And in our constitution, so many fundamental rights were there, and out of that, one fundamental right was there, that everybody is equal in before the society. Nobody, we can't discriminate on any basis with any other. So these were the things that were done by the reformers, and we should also maintain equality in the society. Okay.